In all this world, debate for South Africa. I don't give a fuck what the black people do anymore. Because you know what? My life is over. At the end of the day, not only me, the whole country is run by black people. And they're fucking up our whole country. 32 years, they didn't do nothing. Everyone is complaining, no one do nothing about it. Because the white man don't have any say in their lawful country. The blacks don't own this country. They think they own this country because they are black. They think they were the firstborns in this country. They are not the firstborn in our country, South Africa. The Khoisan was the first people in this country, South Africa. But in any case, don't worry about that. That's also a problem because the black people, I fucking hate them. Fucked up everything. Nothing from 1994. There's no progress. They steal, they destroy, they kill. I'm a Boer. My name is Charles. And I will not lay down. I don't have many years to live anymore. But I don't give a fuck. Maybe people will see it, maybe they won't. I will fight for my rights. Those black fuckers. I will not say what I want to say because then I will sit my ass in jail. But yes, like they sing the song Kill the Boer, I will say kill the red caps. I don't have shame in myself. I don't have nothing to hide. My time on earth is nearly finished. So the haters, I hate them. But yes, there will be consequences between what they say they're gonna do and what our Boers will do as well. Kan jy sê in Afrikaans? Die slag van Bloedrivier. It's coming. It's coming. You think you're clever? You're a fucking dumb bastards.